Echoes of Elegance, a German Odyssey. Chapter 1. The Heart of Europe. In the heart of Europe, where the rivers flow like veins through a landscape rich with history and culture, lies a land of enduring beauty known as Germany. With its medieval castles, charming villages, and bustling cities, Germany beckons travelers from around the world to explore its storied past and vibrant present. As the sun rises over the spires of Cologne Cathedral, casting its golden light upon the cobblestone streets below, a young adventurer named Emma stands on the banks of the Rhine River, gazing out at the majestic panorama before her. With a sense of anticipation and wonder filling her heart, she has come to embark on a journey through the heart of Germany, from north to south and east to west. From the vibrant streets of Berlin to the romantic lanes of Rothenburg Obertauber, Emma immerses herself in the rich tapestry of German culture and history. She explores the iconic landmarks of Berlin, from the Brandenburg Gate to the Berlin Wall, and she wanders through the medieval streets of Nuremberg, where half-timbered houses and ancient fortifications tell tales of centuries past. But it's not just the cities that captivate Emma. It's the natural beauty of the German countryside that truly steals her heart. In the lush vineyards of the Moselle Valley, she sips crisp Riesling wines and savors the tranquility of the riverbanks. And in the dense forests of the Black Forest, she hikes through ancient woodlands and stumbles upon hidden waterfalls, feeling a sense of connection to the land that surrounds her. Chapter 2. The Spirit of Innovation. Leaving behind the urban hustle and bustle, Emma sets her sights on the industrial heartlands of Germany, the birthplace of innovation and ingenuity. From the automotive factories of Stuttgart to the high-tech hubs of Munich, she embarks on a journey through a landscape shaped by the spirit of progress and creativity. In the automotive capital of Stuttgart, Emma visits the Mercedes-Benz Museum, where sleek cars and vintage models trace the evolution of automotive engineering. She marvels at the precision and craftsmanship that have made German engineering renowned around the world, and she learns about the pioneering spirit that drives innovation in every field. But it's not just the machines that inspire Emma, it's the people behind them. In the university town of Heidelberg, she meets young entrepreneurs and visionary thinkers who are pushing the boundaries of technology and science. And in the cosmopolitan city of Munich, she joins the crowds at Oktoberfest, celebrating the spirit of community and camaraderie that defines German culture. As she watches the sun set over the Bavarian Alps, painting the sky in hues of pink and gold, Emma feels a sense of pride and admiration for the spirit of innovation that defines Germany. In this land of thinkers and doers, she knows that anything is possible and the future is filled with endless possibilities. Chapter 3. The Soul of the Nation. Continuing her journey through Germany, Emma finds herself drawn to the soul of the nation, the rich tapestry of traditions, folklore, and heritage that have shaped its identity for centuries. From the medieval villages of the Romantic Road to the fairy tale castles of Bavaria, she embarks on a journey through a land steeped in legend and lore. In the picturesque town of Bamberg, Emma explores the cobbled streets and half-timbered houses that have remained unchanged for centuries. She visits the historic breweries and beer gardens that have been brewing liquid gold for generations, and she learns about the art of brewing from master brewers who have perfected their craft over centuries. But it's not just the beer that captures Emma's imagination. It's the sense of community and tradition that surrounds it. In the quaint villages of the Bavarian countryside, she joins in the festivities of local festivals and celebrations, dancing to the lively strains of traditional folk music and feasting on hearty Bavarian cuisine. As she watches the sun rise over the rolling hills of the Bavarian countryside, painting the landscape in shades of gold and green, Emma feels a sense of peace and contentment wash over her. In this land of castles and beer gardens, she has discovered a sense of belonging and connection that fills her with gratitude and joy. Chapter 4: The Land of Dreams. As her journey through Germany comes to an end, Emma reflects on the experiences and adventures that have shaped her along the way. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, from the industrial heartlands to the historic villages, she has discovered the true essence of Germany, the spirit of innovation, the beauty of tradition, and the warmth of its people. And as she watches the sun set over the Rhine River, casting its golden light upon the landscape, Emma knows that her journey is far from over. With a heart full of memories and a spirit filled with gratitude, she looks to the future, ready to continue exploring the wonders of this beautiful and fascinating land. For in the land of dreams, anything is possible, and the adventure is just beginning.